Okay, today I want to do a review of the Supernova chuck. I happen to like them. I have 3 of them set up here. They come accessible with lots of different jaw types. And as you can see in this one, I have larger jaws. I've got basically they're my 4.5 inch jaws, 5 inch jaws. And then they have this key that goes inside of them, and then they also have this screw insert. So when I'm starting and roughing out a bowl, I will drill it, put this in, put the bowl on here, rough the outside out, make a tenon on the bowl the size I need for this chuck, and then turn it around, take this off. And then once again, I have the inserts. They would accommodate a massively huge lathe, but I have the insert that goes from like 1.5 inches here down to my lathe, which is 1 1/8. And then the jaws are easily interchangeable with some screws right here, but I opted to just buy extra lathes and have them set up. So I've got pin jaws on this one, bigger jaws on this one, littler jaws on this one. And then because I have so many of those, I have about 8 or 10 of these tools, which is just a hex tool that goes in here. And then once you learn which way to turn it, you're good to go. But that's what I use for a 4-jaw lathe chuck, and I've had good luck with them. They're in the middle of the price range compared to some of the other ones, but they've worked really great for me on my lathe that's got a 16-inch swing here.